Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous Strike Witches video. Today I'll be showing you my FuRyu high quality figure Strike Witches 500 first Joint Fighter Wing. So I haven't unboxed them yet, so we will do one unboxing today, and that is Yoshika Miyafuji. Most of these boxes have the same size except for Gertrude and Lynette Bishop. Lynette is smaller and wider because of the way she poses, and she has a long rifle, sniper rifle, and Gertrude is carrying two rifles on both hands, so the box is wider also. It's the same size as all of the rest of the boxes, but a little wider. So now we will focus on the main protagonist of the Strike Witches, which is Yoshika Miyafuji. So we'll do Yoshika's unboxing. Stand by first while I'll set up. I'll just move some of this stuff around. Alright, we'll do Yoshika. So this is Strike Witches high quality figure, Yoshika Miyafuji. This is the symbol of the Strike Witches 501st Joint Fighter Wing, and they are called the Strike Witches. So that's their emblem or logo. So this was released around 2007 when the first season of Strike Witches anime came up. There's the side of the box, same with Yoshika's pose, and it is made by FuRyu. So you can see there's a Kadokawa hologram sticker to indicate that it's legit or authentic. Side of the box, we get a smaller Yoshika here, and that's gonna be her pose when we take her out of the box. So the SEGA price, the boxes are smaller because you have to assemble the striker unit, and you have to put the propellers and the base. But this one is already assembled. So you just have to take it out of the box. This is the top of the box. Strike Witches high quality figure, Yoshika Miyafuji, and that's the bottom. So this is sealed, mint in sealed box. So I'll go ahead. No design inside. This is what she looks like. The base is here. Wow. Later on, I'll try to compare her with the SEGA price version. Nice rifle. Look at look at that paint job. It's very clean and very detailed. As for Yoshika, wow, she's very big. And the propellers, the SEGA one doesn't move, but this one can rotate. Very nice. As you can see, paint job is good. There's not much issues there. Wow, you can see the details. It's very nice. We'll try to get the piece. Oops. Lucky it wasn't destroyed. Oh, it's just some instruction booklet. Oh, so you have to remove the butt in order to place it in Yoshika's armpit, and then put the butt in again. Show you how to assemble the base. B and C. So place this one first, and then put the B on top. Okay. So Yoshika's, wow, the detail is amazing on this figure. Wow, it's very nice. It's called high quality figure. You can see the logo, their logo there. Nice. Fox. I think she's a fox. Here, I don't remember. There you go. Now we remove that. Oh. It's not detachable. Oh, sorry. That's it. Yoshika stands almost 9 inches. Like more like 8.75 inches or 22 centimeters. Wow, she's tall. There you go, guys. And now let's compare her with the SEGA price. The details on the SEGA price is much more. SEGA price is much more detailed, as you can see. Lots of lines there. Wow. V139. Oh, there's no. Here there's V139, but on the SEGA one there's nothing. But the line details here are more prominent. Wow, I can't choose which one is the better one, but I think I'll go for the SEGA one, even though she's smaller. The base is much more, wow, more beautiful here. And the details on the striker unit, much more detailed on the SEGA price one. The guns are almost the same, but this one is more detailed as well. There. Wow, doesn't have the scope and the facial expression. This one is much nicer than this one, but she's still good. SEGA price is just around 6 inches. She's much taller. I like them both, to be honest. There you go. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Thank you, guys.